Hello guys, so our next question is, in the structure of CIF3 the number of lone pair of electron on central atom Cl is. So as the central atom is Cl, so it has atomic number of 17, and we can represent it as neon 3s square and 3p 5. So in this, the Cl atom make the orbital 3s, and the p orbital has 5 element, and it will form like this. One element is unpaired and our 3D is empty. There is no, okay, so 3D is empty. So let's now see CLF3. For F3 it wants 3 electron, so we will move this paired electron here, so we can, it will be like 1 2 3, and this is 3D 4. So and this 3s, and oh sorry, I made a mistake, this will be paired, and this is 3p. So all the F3 will go here, one element here, one here, and one here. So these two electron are lone pair because there's no use of it here, or they are not including in the bond formation. So the hybridization will be sp3d, which is trigonal pyramidal, and after getting this, the shape will be converted into a bent T shape. So the number of lone pair is 2, which are this and this. So correct answer is option number 2. Thank you.